Hello and thanks for watching this video. We are Details and we are a travel channel that does Disney content, and today we're taking a tour of the Disneyland Hotel. The Disneyland Hotel was constructed in 1955 for the opening of Disneyland and was originally 3 towers until about 8 months ago when they opened up their newest tower, the Discovery Tower, which is for DVC members. To start off today's tour, we're going to be starting in the Fantasy Tower. This is where you'll find reception. The Fantasy Tower also has 2 shops. The Fantasia shop is going to be the bigger of the 2, and this is where you'll find your souvenirs. Just outside the Fantasia shop, you'll find Small World Gifts and Sundries, which is where you'll find hats, mini ears, light food and beverage options, and anything you may have forgotten or need, like aspirin, sunblock, diapers, things like that. Immediately to the right upon exiting the Fantasy Tower, you will find the Convention Center. In the space that used to be their steakhouse, you will find a live entertainment on select dates and times. Also in the Convention Center is where you'll find Goofy's Kitchen, which offers character dining for breakfast and dinner. Just outside the Convention Center, you'll find the Coffee House, which will be open mornings. And now we're finding ourselves back outside, across the pool, headed towards Tangaroa Terrace and Trader Sam's. There is a walk-up bar at Tangaroa Terrace, so you can take drinks to go. There are also light snack and food options that you can order here. Trader Sam's is a sit-down bar, but it is a lot of fun and something we'd recommend doing if you're staying or if you're coming to the Disneyland Hotel. We'll link our video up above for you. And now we're going to be going to the Discovery Tower, which is the newest tower and home to the Disney Villas for the Disney Vacation Club. This is also where you will enter to go to the Palm Breeze Bar. And now we're going to be making our way inside the Frontier Tower. And the last tower on our tour is going to be the Adventure Tower. The Disneyland Hotel now has 3 pools with the addition of the pool for the Discovery Tower. There's also a Steamboat Willie splash pad there. The 2 original pools still remain centrally on the property, and as well as the water slides. There are 2 of those and 1 mini slide, so we're going to say that they have 2.5. This is also the side that you will find the jacuzzi. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like Disney things, then please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please give it a like and a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.